214 will be clear. 3022, back in service.
Trooper 13, we got times 11144.
User disconnected from your channel.
$1480 negative contact on that Warren call. We're gonna be tight. Sorry. Can we get a chai? Oh my gosh. Can we get a siren check at 1101?
Trooper 13, all units will be Christine.
$1480. I'm going to be responding to a person armed with a knife. It's going to be a little bighorn. I'll advise once I get on scene. Looks like it's going to be near the hospital at 157. If I could get some units rolling. Yep, there's going to be a male in a orange vest. Looks like he's wearing a Coast Guard uniform. He's going to have a large machete running at my vehicle at this time. Capitol Boulevard, 157. Get more units rolling. Code 3, please.
What's the postal?
157. We're going to be parallel to the hospital, Capitol Boulevard. Go ahead. Well, he's on the ground because somebody tried to tase him.
Can I get some additional units? Got a stunning makeup for a double on 2025.
$1480.
Are they shooting?
Could you advise the on-duty coroner have him en route to 156, please?
No.
1480, corner's gonna be 10-7.
Point 51 responding to the report of stolen ambulance on Vespucci Boulevard near the Mission Road PD. Point 51 ambulance located Osto 206 Vespucci Boulevard, 1080 in progress, requesting backup, code 3. Point 51 1080 is 372 Vespucci Boulevard, change to tag 1 channel for call out.
Show truck 206 1080 1041 at 1043.
User joined your channel. User joined your channel.
Point 51 requesting backup, postal 835 North Rockford Drive, 1080 in progress with a stolen ambulance, respond code 3, tag 1 channel for
Now that was crazy. So you grappled into the.
I ain't see it doing me like that, cause he just.
How many cars supposed to look like that?
Hey, bro, you good? What the fuck?
Yeah. Wait. You need to tell him. Are you good?
Yeah.
User disconnected from your channel.
Attention all units. All units. Citizens report a possible stolen vehicle. Respond code 3. go there? Are you serious?
User disconnected from your channel.
Medic 84 station.
I got some smoke in the room. Come on. Oh my. Shit. You asshole. Come on, I want to get high.
What's your problem?
What the fuck? Fucking jerk.
Don't even go there.
Oh yeah.
User joined your channel.
Don't even go there.
Oh my. Shit.
Attention all units. Response code 2.
Fucking idiot. Idiot.
3.
Traffic. 1480, gonna be on
User
Forum Drive at
disconnected from your
127 with 28s of 69 King Zulu Sam 869 and a black sedan. I'm 10 for my stop. Warning issued.
$214, work code 4.
User joined your channel.
Can I get additional unit to my felony traffic stop on southbound Sonora Freeway? Post is 961.
251, I'll roll that way.
1480. I'm going to be responding to an armed robbery off of Alta Street. I'll advise for units once I get close to the area where it's at. Exactly. Just have additional units start towards the area of Alta Street, please.
User joined your channel.
1480. I'm pulling up to the scene. It looks like it's going to be Alta and Vinewood Boulevard. Might be wrong. Never mind. Just 22. I'm not doing this. $14.80 traffic. 1480 going to be in the intersection of Vespucci Boulevard and Alta Street with 10 Nora King Edward 535, 10 NKE 535 on a black sedan.
Coin 51 on scene of the panic is going to be a road traffic collision 912 nearest road will be Route 68. I got a police car wedged quite well into the rocks in the river. So just start me an ambulance and a rescue squad.
Final stop, 1480. Final stop is going to be 392.
$19.21.97.
AM tonight for my stop. Warning
User
issue.
joined your channel.
Be advised, EMS still required at 912.
Two 14. We're also on scene over here at 912.